Kani gadega pati CCTV, bat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Henne kasngi ka arpwe trek unai weng, Chief Electoral Officer jong katanat election jong ka Jilla Meghalaya, uba Frederick Roy Kyrteng ulai kendo kerpang yaki nong pathai kubor ke Jilla. Hakaba ula pensyai halor ki kattu katni ki jing patha jong ka Election Commission of India, ya barok kitnat election jong ki Jilla ba per hakari. Kawai nakimat ka bau ba Frederick Roy Kyrteng ula kren kadai halor ka jing khot jingalang yaki sengsan pathai. Kebajulong karukom hasua ban pelong yaki election ban jet yaki MLA batamai. Bat ban pensyai haki halor ki kendon jong ki jing penya yaka kam election. Kawai pat kaba CEO katanat election ulai tu ane kasngi kadai halor ka jing Pynrung Kyrteng haka Thep vote ne ka electoral roll kaba Haduh menta kalapoi syaka khanyo lak 1,000 sanspa kasangun kinong Thep vote hadin ka jing Pynrung Kyrteng thamai hadin ka election jong ka samoi balala. Ngalor kani uba Frederick Roy Kyrteng ula kren ru halor ki wei pat kimat ki badai katkum ka jing patha jong ka Election Commission of India kan thop ru ya ka jing penjalan ya ka tarek ban Pynrung Kyrteng ha ka electoral roll na ka lai pho tarek urisau menta ka Snem la penjalan cha ka lai pho tarek menta unai weng u arhajar khanyo. Sa ka wei pat kamat ka ba CEO ka Jilla hanne ka sngi ula ong kadai halor ki samla ki balakha haus Snem arhajar ha ka ba anyo yaki kum kita ki millennium voters ka ba mon ya ka jing Pynrung Kyrteng ha ka electoral roll ya kini ki samla andang priang Haduh benai Kyllalyngkot jong Snem arhajar ka Prabanwan. Hakasngi ke bakari India kan sara kheru ya kasngi ke bakarpang ke Thep kum ke Voters Day.
This meeting with political parties mainly concentrated on pre-poll and poll arrangements. One thing is regarding the special drive for the registration of voters. We know that the draft roll was published on 27th of September 2017, and we had an enrollment of about 17,68,515 as on 27th of September. So now from Election Commission they had announced a schedule of summary revision of electoral rolls so as to maximize the registration of voters. That was supposed to have concluded on the 30th of October, but in view that we are a poll-going state, we are going to shortly have elections. So in view of that, the Election Commission has extended the period of summary revision from 30th of November, of October to the 30th of November. So they have extended, and along with it, they have laid down certain objectives, which is one, of course, is to maximize the registration of eligible voters, to remove entries of dead and permanently shifted electors, to correct various errors in the electoral rolls, to obtain family details, and one new development, one new initiative which Election Commission has rolled out is the BLO net. We all know that there are booth level officers at each and every polling station. So far they would only collect and collate the names of the people, but now they will be using technology. Each BLO will be given a handset and he will have to capture the longitude and the latitude of each and every household, each and every landmark, be it police station, medical facilities, so on and so forth. And also what are the AMF facilities, assured minimum facilities, in each and every polling station. Because in each and every polling station there are certain voter-friendly, voter-centric requirements like drinking water, separate queue, electricity, toilets, so on and so forth. So to map each and every component digitally, that is one thing, and also to map household, to get the phone numbers of each and every household, so that there will be positive communication with each and every individual voter and each and every household as well. Apart from that, they have also said that to identify any alternative building in case the existing polling station which has been identified is not up to the mark, then to have a separate building so that we are able to have a voter-friendly kind of an ambience with regard to the polling. Now, another point is that the Election Commission is very keen that we have this millennium voter. What is a millennium voter? Anyone who was born in the year 2000 will be touching 18 years next year. As on 1/1/2018, he will be touching 18 years. So he or she has been born in the year 2000 will actually be deemed as a millennium voter, and will be recognized and he will be feted during the National Voters' Day. And at the same time, it will be kind of a welcome to the democratic process for the Millennium Voter.